National Geographic and Heinle, a part of Cengage Learning, have partnered to create English language learning materials that bring our world and all its cultures to life. National Geographic embodies the spirit of adventure, quest for knowledge, and celebration of life and cultures, a spirit that is acknowledged around the world. With breathtaking images and compelling content, National Geographic inspires millions to see beyond borders and celebrate the world's captivating stories, increase their awareness of global issues, and appreciate the richness of the world we all share. Heinle understands the significance of such unique cross-cultural content for English language learners. We have incorporated National Geographic's amazing resources into groundbreaking learning tools that inspire students to communicate with the world around them, to experience the language in a natural setting, and to interact with multimedia in a new and more relevant way. National Geographic and Heinle together allow English language learners to engage with real people, real places, and real language, without barriers and without borders.